Today I'm in Richmond, Surrey. I'm just outside Richmond train station where I'll be showing you around this beautiful quiet town. Now the journey only takes about 16 minutes via fast train from Waterloo station in central London. Now the first place we're going to head to is Terrace on Richmond Hill. It's a really nice spot if you want some peace and quiet and to take in the view. So let's get started. Now, as soon as you leave Richmond Station, you're straight onto the High Street. Now, this is Richmond Terrace, and it's one of the most protected views in England. The view you're looking at is protected by law, so it stays exactly like this. Now, this view is also inspired by the artist J.M. William Turner. Now, just a few steps away, next to Terrace Fields, is Terrace Gardens. These aren't just your average public gardens. This is a Victorian masterpiece, rolling down a steep hill in a series of perfectly kept lawns and pathways. The gardens were officially opened to the public back in 1887. We will return for a spring visit when everything is back in bloom. And as you can see, there's even a small coffee shop halfway down. Now, if you've got a little bit more energy and you don't mind walking a little bit more, there's Richmond Park. It's another nice option. The scale of this place is incredible. At nearly 2,500 acres, it's the largest of London's rural parks. It's a huge expansion of rolling hills, ancient woods, and open grasslands that feels more like the deep countryside than a city park. This isn't just a park, it's a national nature reserve. Richmond Park holds 650 free roaming deers and stags. Okay, I've just wanted to come away because I can't believe it. After a 20-minute walk, I came across a stag. As you can see, she's a complete and utter beauty, and she looked straight at me.
Richmond Green, this is not your average village green. This is a huge 12-acre field of perfect lawn, surrounded by beautiful Georgian houses. Cricket has also been played here since 1666. Which brings us on to the oldest pub in England, the Cricketers. It's been serving drinks since 1770, and just a few metres down is the Prince's Head, a pub which has become popular ever since appearing on Ted Lasso. Also tucked in a corner, at the edge of the green, you can see the last bits of what was once a great royal home, the gateway of Richmond Palace, which was a favourite of Queen Elizabeth I. It's a final little reminder of the deep history you can find in every corner of this amazing part of London. This is Brewer's Lane, one of the historic passages linking Richmond Green to the High Street. And it takes its name from an early resident, a reminder of Richmond's village past. This is Richmond Riverside. The path follows the banks of the River Thames. But it's not a busy grey embankment. It's a gentle, winding trail. Now you can often see the swans and the ducks along this part of the Thames. Now, if this glimpse of one of London's boroughs have you ready to hop on a train for some peace and quiet, give this video a like and subscribe to London with Susan for more of London that's beyond the usual tourist trail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video coming up.